Let's talk about code patterns, specifically whether you need them when setting up your master subjects table. The short answer for the vast majority of schools is no, you don't. Unit codes handle almost every scenario, and many schools don't even need those. Let me show you why. Here is a typical example. Your subject is Year 12 English. In your timetable file, the class code is 12ENG01, and it's the same code in both semesters. 01 is your class suffix here, nothing to do with the semester. School data matches this directly to your master subjects table. The code never changes, so you don't even need a unit code. Simple as that. But what about more complex scenarios? When codes do vary, unit codes and campus codes have you covered. What if the subject code changes between semesters? Here, semester 1 uses ENG013 and semester 2 uses EN014. But both are class 01. You just comma separate the subject codes in the unit codes column. EN013, EN014. School data matches both. Now, multiple campuses. Here's a class code broken down. Semester, subject, campus letter, then suffix. If your school has a separate subject entry for each campus, it's easy. Just include the campus letter in your unit codes. Main English gets 1 EN013M, 2 EN014M. The branch campus gets the same with a B. No code pattern needed. But what if you want one shared subject entry for both campuses? My suggestion would be to separate them, but if you prefer to go down this path, then you will need a code pattern. Your unit code drops the campus letter. 1 EN013, 2 EN014, and you can add the pattern S for semester, O 5 times for the unit code portion, C for campus, NN for the numerical suffix. Don't worry if you don't understand these abbreviations yet. We'll get to those shortly. Now let's look at the other reason you might need code patterns. And this one's even rarer, less than 1% of schools. Some schools embed the calendar year directly in their class codes. So in 2026, Year 12 English looks like this: 26 space EN01301. In semester 1, 2027, the exact same class becomes 27 space EN01301. The subject hasn't changed, but the code has. You could handle this with unit codes, but you'd need to update them every single year. That's tedious and easy to forget. This is exactly where code patterns come in. A code pattern is a simple template that tells school data how to read each character in a class code. Here is the pattern YY space OOOONN. Y means calendar year, O means the option code, that's the subject code we actually want to extract, and N is the numeric suffix. Let's apply it. Each character in the class code lights up according to the pattern. The gold characters are the year. School data ignores these for matching. The teal characters are the option code, the part that matters, and the grey characters are the suffix. The extracted option code is EN013, and that's what gets matched to your master subjects table. Simple. Now let me quickly run through the full set of pattern symbols available to you. O is the option code, your subject code, and the most important one. You'll always need it. Y is for calendar year, S is for semester, T is for term. N is a numeric suffix, C is for campus. We saw that one earlier. U and L handle uppercase and lowercase letters in your suffix. And a space is just a regular space on your keyboard. It means a literal space in the code. Most patterns only use 2 or 3 of these. Here's the beauty of this approach. In 2026, the code starts with 26, school data reads it, ignores the year, and extracts EN013. In 2027, the code starts with 27, same extraction, same match. 2028, same thing. The year rolls over automatically. No annual updates needed. You set the pattern once and it just works. So, do you need code patterns? If your codes are standard, subject code plus a suffix, maybe a campus letter, unit codes and campus codes are all you need. If your school embeds the calendar year in the code, or you want to share one subject entry across multiple campuses, use a code pattern. And if you're not sure, you almost certainly don't need them. If you have any questions, we are always here to help. Thanks for watching.